Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it.
Email open rates are plummeting.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
80-90% of your work goes unnoticed. How about sending your customer a box of brownies or a cup of coffee or a nice card or a water bottle or a text that says thank you or a Facebook? I mean, there's a gazillion different things you can do. The number of business owners that only communicate with their network or their customers in the way that they want to be communicated with, meaning the CEO or the entrepreneur, versus realizing and understanding that our customers may not want to play on the same platform. And I'll give you a perfect example.
Yep.
I am a Facebook Messenger and chat person.
Mm-hmm.
Facebook Messenger and text.
Yep.
Ken, I know you love Skype.
Not anymore, but
Not
yes, you're
anymore, right. My friend Bijal, who's coming up next right after me, he loves the WhatsApp. Loves it.
Yep.
I don't play on WhatsApp, right?
Right.
I love going into my mail. I am a busy dude. Somebody sends me something in the mail, it gets opened 100% of the time, right? But if you're only sending emails, I got news for you. You got 90% of your work going unnoticed. Here's the thing. At the end of the day, here's where this all really comes down. If you always add value to somebody, everything else will work itself out. That I learned that when I was 5 years old, working in my granddad's antique store, and that is that connectivity, the ability to make somebody feel amazing. And then I'll say, great, sit down. If you cannot tell me who your top 3 referrers are by true revenue data, the whole room sits down. Maybe 1 or 2 will stand up to be snarky. I'll say, great. If I go and pick up your phone right now, are those 3 referral partners in your phone? And if I call them, what will they tell me how you make them feel? Birds of a feather flock together. If you have raving fans in your business, they are going to bring their friends and family who are most likely to buy your product, good, or service. But yet you're not even able to tell me who those people are by data, not just by, oh, well, yeah, I think Ken sends me this, and I think Joni sends me this. I want to know by data, number 1. And number 2, people want to just be made to feel special. So if you are not out there making your customers feel awesome, you know who is? Your competition.
Yeah.
The people that can spend more to make your customer feel better about themselves is always going to win 100% of the time.
So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.